Hello, dear students. Yesterday, I discussed you about living dreams in English literature class 8th. I was discussing about Damu's dream. Yesterday, I told you when Damu went to the seashore with his father, and when he saw the lantern, just he started dreaming that he was in a huge cave, and he saw that there was coming a light from the cave. He thought that that light was of the coins, coming of the coins that was hidden in the cave. Therefore, he put down his lantern and he freed his both hands so that he could collect the gold into the mines. Just then, his father patted on his shoulder, and all of a sudden he awoke from his daydreaming. Just then Damu saw there the Nausadappan on the boat. He was better than anyone than these two bad-tempered men. Here, Damu means to say that it means Nausadappan was better than his father Sudhakaran and his uncle Arvindan. They also rode far into the sea. Who? Damu's father and uncle. Much to surprise of Sudhakaran and Arvindan, they were surprised to see sitting on the boat Damu with Nausadappan. Damu was rowing the boat very well, and little did they realize that Damu was participating in the snake boat race. They saw the Damu's talent of rowing the boat. They just felt that though he was taking the part in the boat race, he was neck to neck with the boat from the other district, and it was matter of life and death to him if he won. Just these very things thought his father and his uncle. Just when Damu was busy in rowing the boat, Nausadappan, who was with him on the boat, asked him, Damu, what do you see in the water? That was a question asked to Damu. Damu replied to Nausadappan, Uncle, I am seeing the water. He once asked again to Damu, don't pretend. Tell me really, what do you really see in the water? Nausadappan insisted Damu to see the mystery that he was seeing in the water. Damu shrugged his shoulder wearily. He was worried. He was neglecting the questions. What was Nausadappan asking? Again, with the satisfying feeling, he said, it means Damu said to Nausadappan, Uncle, I see. No, Nausadappan said to Damu that Damu, I see different things when I look at water. This was the answer of the Nausadappan. He wanted to disclose the secret hidden in the Damu's heart. He wanted to encourage the boy to take interest in boating or in fishing. So he said, it really depends on where the sun is positioned. For instance, when it is noon, then I don't see the water. It means to say that Nausad Appan discussed Damu that he see the different things in the water at the different times. At the noon, he don't see the water. He sees only the glitters of the sun, and he feels that it was like a gold that he could collect. Again, he say that when I see the water when the sun is about to set, it means to say that when he sees the water in the evening, he feel very warm because the water has absorbed the sun's heat, robbed the sun of its fierceness, and now its vast body is warm and heavy like sweet honey. Again, Damu interrupted the old boatman, and he said, Uncle, when I look at water, I can see that it is living. Especially when I see water at dawn, when the sun has not yet dropped the colors on her, when the water is transparent, you can see fish and dirt and leaves and movements. It means to say that according to Damu, he could see many things in the water. He could see fish, he could see dirt, he could see leaves, and he could see also the movement of the water. After hearing this answer by Damu, Nausad smiled in delight and said, Boy, if you find water so beautiful, if you feel that water is so beautiful, so lovable to you, why don't you like to be a part of it? It means to say that Nausad Appan wanted to meet Damu to take interest in the water. He replied, Uncle, I don't want to drag the boat every morning and go fishing. I hate it. It means to say that boy, it means Damu did not like this tradition in which his father and uncle were involved. After listening his answer, Nausad was silent. Then again he said, Boy, son, did you know that fish sleep with their eyes open? This was a question asked by Nausad Appan to Damu. He wanted to make him to take interest in the water. Damu's face lit up with a smile. He answered, Yes, I do. I feel. They have no eyelids. They don't sleep with their eyes. They sleep with their eyes open because they don't have eyelids. So obviously they can't shut their eyes. That was the reason why the fish sleep with their eyes open. Did you know that each eye of the fish see different things? This was the question asked by Nausad to Damu. No, I didn't know that. When the boat returned, Sudhakaran had a very good haul. It means to say that after the finishing of the fishing, Damu's uncle and father had caught a great deal of fish. Nausad and Damu had put Sudhakaran and Arvindan on the oars and taken the nets.